To fix a washer making a grinding noise when agitating, it is essential to understand the main reasons behind this issue. The primary causes of this problem include a faulty or worn-out bearing, imbalance or misalignment of the washer drum, loose or damaged screws and bolts, and debris or foreign objects inside the washer. First, turn off the washer and unplug it from the power source to ensure safety while working on the appliance. Next, check the washer drum for any visible signs of damage or wear and tear. Verify that the drum is properly balanced and aligned, as an imbalance can cause the grinding noise. Inspect the screws and bolts that hold the washer drum in place and tighten any loose ones. Also, check for any debris or foreign objects inside the washer, such as coins or keys, that may be causing the noise. Remove any objects found and clean the washer drum thoroughly. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the faulty or worn-out bearing. This can be a complex task and may require professional assistance. It is crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions and take necessary safety precautions when working with electrical appliances. Regular maintenance is key to preventing grinding noises in the future. Check the washer regularly for any signs of wear and tear and address any issues promptly. Balance the washer drum properly, and ensure that the screws and bolts are tightened securely. By following these steps and understanding the main reasons behind the grinding noise, you can effectively fix the issue and prevent it from occurring in the future. Remember to always follow safety guidelines and manufacturer instructions when working with electrical appliances, and do not hesitate to seek professional help if needed.